Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam.
Okay. So we were discussing about the amino acids. Okay. First thing, we have considered amino acids as the Lego blocks, right?
Yes,
And how many are there? These amino acids?
2 million or
Oh no,
20.
20. 20 amino acids are there, right? Let me change the color. Which
Yes.
color you like the most? Blue? I think boys like the blue color, right?
Yes.
I have this observation. I don't know much, but you can tell me.
Yes, blue and green.
Blue and
Green.
green. Are you saying green? I don't I can't understand
Yes.
it. Okay, okay. Okay, amino acids are this blue or dark blue?
Any blue.
Any blue. You see,
It can be anyone.
if you can ask your sister, she will tell you the shades, different shades of blue color, different shades of red color, different shades of every color. The girls know the shades, even the
Yes.
shades of different color. They have this much
Yes.
what can I say? Okay. Amino acids are what? You
Knowledge.
yeah, this much knowledge and they are interested in it. You have more knowledge of cricket and football. The girls don't like those things.
Yes.
Some like, so it depends on your priorities. If I talk about myself,
Yes.
I don't have much interest in the colors. So I don't know about the much detail like this is light pink or this. I just know this is light pink and this is dark pink. I don't know about the shades. So it depends on.
Okay.
I am a big fan of cricket, very big fan. I used to
Okay.
play in the yeah. And who is your favorite player?
A lot of Zimbabwe has a Muhammad Rizwan.
Not about Pakistan, any other team. You know about
Huh?
Hashim
No.
Amla from the New Zealand.
Hashi.
Hashim
Yeah,
Amla.
I have heard.
No,
Yes,
now he
he
doesn't
is.
play. He was a very good player, and
Yes, he was from South Africa. He used to play for
yeah,
South
yeah.
Africa in 2019 World. I know he used to play for
There are
2019 World
yes.
Cup.
Okay, we will discuss it someday about the cricket, inshallah. Okay. So we have 20 Lego blocks now, and we have to make a protein, right? What type of combination can be there? Hmm? What
सॉरी
can
मिस, मैं इसकी
yes?
मम्मा इसके पास हूँ।
Assalamu
इसकी ना
alaikum.
उंगली कट गई है तो मैं जरा बैंडेज लगा रही हूँ। अस्सलाम वालेकुम।
वालेकुम अस्सलाम। कैसी हैं
ये
आप?
ना कुछ उल्टे काम करता रहता है।
कोई बात नहीं।
कैसी हैं आप? ठीक है, अल्लाह का
हाँ जी
शुक्र मैं ठीक हूँ। आप ठीक है?
हाँ जी अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह।
सॉरी, ये बस मैं इसको जरा बैंडेज
नहीं नहीं
लगाने आई थी।
कोई बात नहीं।
इसने ओके, कहाँ है दूसरी बार?
See,
क्या हुआ क्या है?
आई एम गोना पुट इट। बस जी सिजर से खेल रहा था।
मिस मैं ब्रिज बनाता हूँ.
अच्छा, चलो ओके, नाउ स्टार्ट वर्किंग। कॉन्सेंट्रेट, ऑल डन। जस्ट
uh,
ओके, कंटिन्यू। मुझसे इसको छोड़ दो, जस्ट लीव।
okay. So there are 20 amino acids, and there are we can say that these 20 amino acids are what? These are 20 Lego blocks, right?
Yes.
So they will be combined, and just like there is a combination. How we combine the Lego blocks? We snap up them like we have different
Yes.
techniques. Similarly, the Lego blocks,
Yes.
how can we combine them? We will snap them together in different forms. We can snap them like this zigzag structure,
Yes.
or we can combine them like this,
Yes.
okay? Or we can have a 3D structure. You know about 3D structures? Why we
Yes.
say a structure is a 3D structure?
That's like a cube.
Yeah, it's three dimensional. We can it have
Yes.
in mathematics, there is x-axis, right? There is y-axis and there is z-axis, right? The z-axis can be
Yes.
out of the plane or inside the plane. So this z-axis gives the 3D structure. Like these three, there are three axes. So the proteins sometimes have a
Yes.
3D structure, just like the hemoglobin. Hemoglobin have a 3D structure. So by first thing was amino acids, then we combined them, and if you have a folded protein, this will be a final shape. Okay, so we have discussed it that amino acids, the chain, they can be folded together, and just like okay, and how many types of proteins are there on the basis of structure? This I will told you. First is, are you clear till this? What are amino acids and what are different combinations?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Now, I gave you one task, if you remember. Yeah, I asked you one day that if you boil egg, right? Why the boiled egg
Yes.
have a different shape as compared to the raw egg? Hmm?
Why will the boiled egg have a shape of a?
Why it is different from the other egg, like the fried egg?
Because like it's boiled, not like fried. Like we do not like we only put it in that shape. We do not like change the shape of it. Like in fry
Because
egg,
you
we
know,
uh
hmm, hmm,
we in fry egg like we break it, then we put it in the pan. But in
yes,
boil egg, we do not tear it and we just put it over there.
yes, and that we are boiling, it means we are heating it at high temperature, right?
Yes.
So when you heat the proteins, their structure changes, okay? They become denature. What I'm saying, the
Mm.
protein there, what is the name of the protein in egg? You remember? I told you this is one of the purest protein. That is albumin, right? Albumin protein.
Yes.
It is the protein which is present in the egg white. Okay.
The white thing.
Yeah, the white, when you boil it, the white part is this one, this protein. Albumin protein is there. So I am saying that when we heat the proteins, their structure changes. Okay.
Yes.
Originally in the egg, when hen lays egg, there is that protein is in the liquid form, right? The transparent
Yes.
liquid. And in the center there is yolk, the yellow yolk, right? And the yellow yolk, and
Yes.
around it there is the protein in the liquid form. The protein is albumin protein, that is transparent liquid. But when we boil it, this transparent albumin converts into white color, right?
Yes.
You know why this happens? Why there
No.
is structural change? Because the protein in this is denatured when you heat it, because we are boiling the egg. So because of that boiling, its temperature, the temperature is changing the shape of the protein. When we are boiling the egg, initially, this
Yes.
is an egg. This is an egg, right? And you have just break it in a plate. Okay, so how will it look like when you break it and place it in the plate? You want to make an omelette. So what is the structure? There is egg yolk, yellow egg yolk, and transparent albumin, right?
And yes.
Transparent albumin around it. This is one type
Yes.
of structure. Okay, this is one type of structure which is in the plate, like this. But
Yes.
when you have another egg and you are placing it to boil, right? So how will it be look like? It will be white, right? The white solid, and in the center there will be solid yolk, isn't it? When you
Yes.
boil it.
Yes.
So this structure is changed. Why it is changed? Because you are providing heat. You are providing excessive temperature. Because of this
Yes.
because of this availability of the temperature, the protein structure is changing. Originally albumin was liquid, Albumin was transparent liquid, but when you heated it, it changed to solid white
Solid.
albumin, right? Why this is happening? Because the protein structure changes when you change the temperature. Remember this thing. They can bear a specific temperature, but beyond that, it will be denatured. Just like the wall, the if you place something that is of lighter weight on your house, on the rooftop, so your house rooftop can bear the weight. But if there is something very big, like a massive thing, your house will be crushed. Okay, the house will be crushed because our houses cannot bear that heavy weight. Are you getting this? That if
Yes.
you can lift something which is in your capacity, but beyond that you cannot lift any other thing that is too much heavy. So similar is the case that proteins, they survive at optimum temperature. Remember I told you that in our body there is optimum temperature, that is 37 degrees Celsius, right? So every
Yes.
protein have a specific temperature.
Specific temperature in
Yeah.
it.
So if you are increasing the temperature, what will happen? It will crush. It will be denatured. Okay.
Yes.
Like we have some boundaries. If we cross that boundaries, what happens? There are different. There are many complexities which happen. It's like I gave you the example. If you place something very heavy on the rooftop of the house, that house will be crushed. That house cannot bear the weight of that thing because it is beyond the limit of the house, right? Similarly, the proteins, they can bear a specific temperature. And if you are going to increase the temperature, boiling means we are providing 100 degrees Celsius temperature. So this is too much high temperature. When you are
Yeah.
providing this much high temperature, the structure will change and this protein will be denatured.
Yes.
Okay, are you getting this?
Yes.
So what we have concluded from this, that proteins in our body, they are functioning at a specific temperature, at the optimum
Yes.
temperature. But if you increase the temperature, their structure will be denatured. Their structure will be disturbed. Okay,
Yes.
then they cannot perform their functions, right?
Yes.
So this they have mentioned. Shape decide the function. Okay, shape decides the function. Lose the shape, this is called denaturing. Okay, if there is the shape is loose, there is denaturing. Think of an egg white going solid when fried, and the protein usually stop working. Okay, even though every amino acid is still there. What they are saying, in the egg fry, when you fry the egg, okay, there was a raw egg and you have fried it. So in that fried egg, there is white portion, right? The egg white, that is protein, but the protein is denatured now. That protein is not working. Why it is denatured? Because we have provided a high temperature in the pan, or even if you are boiling it. That's why the proteins shapes are changing. When you are changing the temperature, their shape changes.
Yes.
Are you getting this? What
Yes.
we are discussing? So let's
Yes.
say,
Yeah,
okay, yeah. So if we have an egg and you are boiling that egg, and there is another egg, you have fried it. Why they both have different structure of the protein, even though the protein is same, the protein is albumin, but why their structure is changed, why they look like different? Hmm? Why the boiled egg have a hard albumin as compared to the fried egg?
Please, can you repeat it? Your voice was breaking.
I'm saying why the boiled egg have a hard albumin as compared to the fried egg. In the fried egg, the white part is not that much hard as compared to the boiled egg,
Yes.
right? Why is this so?
Because like it the boiled egg because it is the fry egg is boiled,
Hmm.
it's softened.
And yeah, why fried egg has a softened albumin protein?
The yellow thing, na?
No, no, white egg white. You know, in fried egg it is different, and in boiled egg it is different.
Yes.
Why it is different?
Because it is how can I tell it? I know it's but
Hmm. Protein is same, right?
yes. Yes.
But their structure is changed.
Yes.
Why?
Because it is one the because
Hmm.
the boiled egg it is boiled with its because like we didn't like open it and crack it and then it put in the pan.
In both cases, in both cases we are heating it. Both the cases, in
Because
both the
like
cases,
they
they both are different from the original egg, isn't it? They
yes,
both are
yes,
different from the original egg. Why?
yes.
Why is this so?
Because like in because like one in one we crack it. No, that's why not.
Even if we are cracking it, that's not the case. Even if you are cracking it, the original content is same inside. I'm saying with because of heating, you are heating it. That's why
Yes,
the shapes are different.
yes,
That's why their structure is different. Because
yes,
heating changes the shape of the protein. Okay?
yes.
At high temperature, you know why high temperature changes is changing the shape of the protein. Can you think about this? Why this is happening? Why we are saying that a boiled egg has a solid albumin? Think in terms of the molecules. Like you are providing the temperature, high temperature, very high temperature, 100 degrees Celsius. Okay,
Yes.
and the egg is boiling. Why its protein will become hard?
Why it's
Hmm?
protein will become hard.
Yes,
Can you repeat the question?
you have an egg and you have started it boiling. Okay, my question is that why due to high temperature it is becoming hard? Why it becomes hard after 20 minutes?
Why it is hot?
Why the white part is hard?
White part.
Yeah, the albumin part. Why it is hard when you are providing temperature, high temperature? Because at high temperature the structure changes, the protein structure changes. Like when in the normal temperature we wear the normal clothes like the shirts, or just like you have jeans and shirts, right? But in winters what you do, you have
This
jackets.
and also I just wanted to ask one more question. If we boil the boil egg
Hmm,
a lot of for a lot of time, what will happen?
for a lot of time
Yes.
it will become hard, and if there is more water in that, it will, its outer core will be break down, the shell,
Oh, okay.
and some yes, but this will be the inner part will be hard, the albumin part will be hard, and yolk will also
Okay.
be hard. I'm asking
Okay.
why this is happening, why it is becoming hard, why it is not like the normal egg.
Why doesn't become of the normal egg?
Hmm?
Oh, can you repeat the question?
I'm saying why egg white, why the boiled egg have hard protein, albumin, hard albumin as
Because
compared
it
to the,
will be because it is cooked for a long time.
yes, because you have cooked it for a long time and you have
Um,
provided it a high temperature. Okay, this high
Okay.
temperature is changing the shape. Okay,
Okay. Okay.
this high temperature is changing the shape of the albumin protein. Clear?
Okay. Yes.
Okay, we will discuss it, the anatomy of the amino acid, like, and not anatomy, we can say the structure of the amino acid, how amino acid are formed. You know how bricks
Okay.
are formed?
How bricks are formed?
Formed in the industry.
Yes.
How they form
Cement
bricks.
by cement, water,
Hmm.
like we then they make it the bricks.
No, yes, there are. They are made at high temperature.
Yes, the
And
buttas.
yeah, exactly. So why they can bear the weight just because of in their preparation they were having the high temperature. That's why they can bear the weight, the bricks.
Yes,
Okay, it depends on the temperature, how much temperature you are giving that.
yes.
Okay, we can end here. You have any question? You can ask.
No, not today. I asked it about the egg. I had
Okay,
that.
think about this. Okay, you yeah about this and search on this. That why the raw egg is different from. You can take the screenshot of this. Why the raw egg is different from the fried egg and the boiled egg. You have three eggs, like the raw egg, other one is fried egg, the third one is boiled egg.
Okay. Okay.
Why they all are different from each other?
Oh, okay.
You have to tell me this in tomorrow's class.
Okay.
Okay.
Can you also
Take.
write this question in the WhatsApp chat? Because I
Yeah. Okay.
forgot to put
Okay.
this.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Welcome. Assalam wa barakatuh.